Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video today, I'm going to be showing you a more legit way of earning money online for just being online. I would say for basically doing nothing but simply being online. It's not scam, it's more legit, tested and proven. So without wasting time, let's dash straight into it. So the app or website we're gonna use, it's called Honeygain. So first is, let me turn on the data and show you how it works. Look, it's here, Honeygain. One moment please, the bees are busy gathering your earnings. So here is my current balance. So when you reach, it has a threshold of $20 before you cash out. So for today I've earned 0.00. It shows your earnings in the last 30 days, but I haven't really been using it that much. But you simply turn it on and basically you earn from just being online. And then what is important about this app is that you can add up to 10 devices. You can have up to 10 active devices, so you can get any computer or any phone and then you log into it, and it could even be your friend's phone. You log into it, then you leave it active. You leave it active running. So what you'll be making, they'll be showing here the amount of money which you'll be making in June, July and all that. For the last 30 days you get it on this board, and then it shows what you've earned. So when you turn your data on and then you come and open Honeygain, you can now close it and leave it running. It's now showing that I'm active, as you can see, active, and it's showing my traffic today and all that. So once I'm active, I can now go to any platform or anything I want to do online. Could it be Google, could it be Twitter, could it be Facebook, TikTok or WhatsApp or YouTube, anything. But remember, you don't turn on a VPN, because with a VPN you disorganize it and it doesn't count. So you make sure you go without a VPN. So if you've been this person who has been browsing through your social media platforms without earning, this method brings you a more legit way of earning. You just turn it on and basically you come and do all what you want. But when it's on, trust me, you'll be getting your money there. It will be accumulating. Now when you reach $20, you can cash out. So basically I've now come on Twitter and I'm browsing through. So it is showing that I'm active, but when I remove the data, it's telling me waiting for internet, so it won't be counting. So when I turn back on data, it's telling me I'm active and I can now browse and check for all those updates. I go to Twitter, I go to TikTok, I go to YouTube. I just be doing anything I wanted to do online, but when I've left it running. So it's counting on and they'll be giving me points, which points or credits can be converted into $. It converts it automatically. So remember, if this is your first time here, remember to give this video a thumbs up such that your friends can benefit. And don't forget to subscribe such that you get any video I drop, which I do regularly. And turn on that notification bell such that you don't miss whenever I release a new video. So that's the trick I wanted to show you. It's called Honeygain. So those of you who wanted the video, who wanted the link to this, you can get it in the description. The link is in the description. The link for this app is in the description below. So go get the link in the description, and then you can, after downloading it, you can also share your referral link. Then everyone who joins Honeygain using your referral link gets $5 starting gift, and then you earn a forever bonus of 10% from their earnings. So it's gradual work. I earn, you earn, and so on. So use the link in the description to enter, such that you and others you share the link to can also benefit. Remember, the more people you share the link with, the more your money keeps earning, and you can also log into 10 other devices as I showed you. So use the link in the description to avoid getting fake websites or fake apps. I'm going to share you the legit link in the description. You download And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.